How to convert text to video in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then you can just tap or refresh the whole design to create a new design over here. So simply what you can do is tap on the profile or just the page, and here you can see different menus at the bottom. Simply drag it to the very end and tap on the apps option. So just tap on the search bar and search for Magic Media. Now, as you search for Magic Media, you'll be able to see the app. So let's search for the Magic Media application. And as you do that, you'll be able to see the app right over here on the screen. So you can just see the option. So just tap on it, and what it gives us access to is you just have to enter some words to describe what you'd want to have the image or video of, and you can simply generate a video. So I'm gonna say a rose, rather a pink rose in the garden, and let's search for it. So as you search for it, it will take a few more seconds over here to generate the video from the text that you have given, or rather the prompt. So since this is an AI version, make sure you have the updated version of the application. Also, a stable internet connection is a must, because if you do not have a stable connection, you'll not be able to get the required result over here. So if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So you just have to wait for a while until the video gets ready in a few minutes. So let's just wait for a few more seconds over here as the video is approaching the end. So let's wait. It might take longer depending on the connection as well. So having a proper connection is a must. So let's wait for a few more seconds. And there you go. You have converted the text to video in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.